gotta get some stickers mailed out to you guys. I've got 7 envelopes in my swing arm bag I gotta send out. One of them's going to 2 Kiwi riders over in New Zealand. So that's pretty cool. Some international letter sending, mail. I see it. I see one. Yes. Yes. Mailbox. I don't have to go to the post office. Mailbox. Yeah. Like that. I'll freak this guy out. Dropping off some mail to my peoples. Mountain Dew and every freaking thing else in here. I think that's all of them. Yeah. Whoop. You guys are gonna see addresses. 4, 5, 6, 7. Coming straight to you guys. Dunk. Hello? Okay. Mail sent. Saved me a trip to the post office. Now I guess we'll go up to Gateway. Go over to Gateway. Right over here where I bought my bike from and see if they got a turn signal for Dad's. Oh, it's warm. What's up, dude? Nice hat. Oh, is that a dude? He's staring at me like a creepo. Yuck. Please turn slower. Oh my God, did you have to stop? Alright y'all, we're about to ride up to Gateway Harley-Davidson. Pick up the replacement turn signal housing for the 2000 Sportster. They said they could order one for us, so we're going to run up there and put in the order. I had to pull my sleeves back down. Where? He'll be gone long before we will. Started off as a pretty decent day, and now it's just kind of bleh. A little cloudy. A little breezy, but I'm out on the bike, so I'm not bitching. And I got Pops. Pops ain't bitching. She looks like she's bitching. Anyway, we're right down the street from Gateway. Getting here to get this part ordered so we can get the bike inspected, get some plates so we can stop ducking the cops every time we go out. That'd be nice, right? That's Nick. What's up, Nick? How's it going? What's up, man?
Long time no see, my brother.
I know. You've been hiding.
Oh, I just been working.
Yeah, okay. Selling a lot of bikes?
Not this month. I gotta go to Milwaukee, though.
I heard. Keith told me.
Yeah.
Man, you lucky devil.
Dude,
Heard you got the ride all the way up there, too.
that Black Street Glide.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How was it?
Oh, my God. It was amazing. Well, I see you got a hold of a Sporty. Yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Still trying to learn how to ride. Hey, one ride at a time, right?
Boy Nick.
What up?
Hooking it up.
What up, Zack heads?
Oh no, you did it. You did it.
This is
Nick's just up here trying to sling some bikes, you know?
all day, every day. Come see me. You want a fat bob? We got your fat bobs. You want a breakout? We got your breakout. You just let me know.
You got them deals, right?
Right? All day, every day.
Got them deals. Freaking A1 customer service. Asked how to use the course. It's like, I'll grab a bike to show you. Why y'all so good up here, Nick?
Because we put our customers first, man.
Always.
Always.
Always A1.
We're all about the Harley lifestyle. Everybody's family, as long as you're on two wheels.
Got the shop over there. Everybody hanging out, enjoying the sun. Where's this place located at, Nick?
We're out here in South County on Lee May Ferry Road, man.
SoCo.
Place to be.
SoCo.
GHD 314. All day, every day. You know, you might find old Zack First Person here coming up on bike nights every third Thursday of the month,
Yep.
6 o'clock. And then if anybody's out riding in the area on a Saturday, 11 to 2, grill and chill will be right here.
Right under this nice covered area right
Absolutely. Come get some free food. We got burgers, brats, and ice cold beer.
here. Beer.
All the equations for a great day. Yes. Ice cold beer. We're in Missouri. We're in St. Louis.
Hella cold.
We got the Bud Diesels. We got the Bud Lights. We got everything you need.
But heavy.
Right?
Look at him go out there showing Dad how to do the course so we can come up here and practice.
There we go.
What a guy.
All pun intended there, right?
Hey. That is Guy.
Dude, he cracks me up.
What's he do? What's Guy's position?
Guy's our business manager.
Business manager out here, spending time with the customers, helping us out.
He's a good guy. He cracked me up the other day. He was like, yeah, my name's Guy Jordan. I know. It's like naming your dog, right?
That's what he said to me when I go over and bought the bike.
He's hilarious, man.
All right, guys, we just left Gateway Harley. Had a little chat with Nick, BS'd around a little bit, ordered the blinker for the 2000 Sportster. And got to asking the guys up there if we could use their rider's course after hours. They said, sure, absolutely, come on up. And Guy, the business manager, actually came out there, grabbed a bike, and ran the course so we could see what the course was about and what we're supposed to do on it. So that was awesome. He took time out of his day to come out and do that for us. So if you guys are in the St. Louis area, you need parts, you need clothes, you want to buy a bike, if you want to buy a bike, you need to go holler at my boy Nick. He's the one that sold me this iron here. And flawless experience. You could check the Google review if you don't believe me. I wrote it long before I started doing videos. And it was just a really good experience, really good guy, really great dealership. So if you guys need anything here in the St. Louis area, anything Harley, go check out Gateway Harley-Davidson. I'll have a link to their Facebook and website or whatever down below. So that's about it for today, guys. Just a little quick ride over to Gateway and grab some parts. Nothing crazy. Didn't mean to be there that long, but you know how it goes. So anyway, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys hated it and thought it was trash and disgusting, go ahead and thumb it down. If you want to stick around to check out some more of my content, hit that subscribe button. I try to do about a video a week. Keep you guys in the loop, keep you all informed, keep you all entertained. But that's going to be it. Make sure to follow Instagram. Check out Gateway Harley if you're in the area. Even if you're not in the area, go over there and say, hey, my boy Zach said to say, what's up? go ahead and do that. So thank y'all very much. Have a wonderful and safe day. Goodbye.